Hello and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and first and foremost, thank you to the sponsors. This channel is really yours. And as you can see, I am joined today in celebration by the assistant shipwright, master shipwright here, because how can we possibly operate without him ever? And that comes from a dog person. Oh well. There was some saying about lemons and lemonades, but in this case it is cats. I have been told on a very good authority that this is the 3rd anniversary of the channel. And as you can see, I am scared mindless of what is going to happen to this beautiful model, since somebody is celebrating a little bit too eagerly. I suppose at such time when anniversary has happened, you have to do a review of what has been done and a brief description of where you intend to go. But the truth of the matter is that I can't really do either. First of all, it is surprising to me that this channel has lasted as long as it has. And I still remember resisting starting it. And at the end of the day, it was easier to say, yes, dear, and do it than to continue coming up with explanations why you don't think it should happen. And so, struggling, arguing, disagreeing, coming up with different ideas for 3 years, day in, day out. No one can be more surprised than me, believe me in this. And once again, thank you especially to the sponsors of this channel, because it truly, without you, it would not be worth the trouble. It does take some time. It takes even more time to edit these, and the producer and director spends quite a bit of time on this. So your generosity, your kindness, your support mean a very great deal to both of us. So I thank you. Where are we going from here onwards? That's an excellent question. You remember the great American archaeologist Indiana Jones? As he put it so rightly, I believe, in the first of the films, I don't know, I'm making it up as I go, said Indy, and I think that this is pretty much the way we are playing it, making it up as we go. It seems, looking at the numbers of views, that some of the smaller details that we are discussing on this channel, and usually I have to say that the ideas are Olia's rather than mine. I mean, there are some exceptions. Obviously, it was me who came up with Rupert and things like this. But for the smaller details, like details that are steering wheels, the trophy, things like this, they are usually her idea. And to my utter astonishment, they seem to be well received. You, ladies and gentlemen, seem to enjoy watching these videos. So I suppose that is what we shall do in the future. There are things about, we'll be talking in the near future about stasis and the introduction of stasis. We will talk about rigging the yards and how handling the sails changed from 17th through 19th century, what was added. In other words, for as long as we have this model here in the shop in such an advanced state, I will take full advantage of it to discuss such things. Binnacle steering wheels, we have all done this by now. But there are other things, reefing points, running dates. Perhaps in the near future, as I start producing the illustrations to the book, we may discuss some of the oddball rigs that do not immediately jump to the mind of a Western model shipwright who specializes in, the conventional square riggers. And yet some of them are very interesting, and some of them were widely distributed, especially throughout the 17th century. Recently I was talking to a very respected colleague, Dr. Cheryl Ward, whom obviously I've known since my graduate school years, but at the moment we both are working on Ottoman wrecks. And it is as we discussed, it is amazing how much material there is out there. That initially, if you just chat about it, you will say, oh, there is nothing there. How can you even discuss? How can you do reconstructions of such rigs? How can you interpret them? But the truth of the matter is that, and again, few people can be more surprised than I was, that there is a lot out there. So maybe we'll go through some of the more interesting, unique rigs, Setias, Saigs, Tartans, etc. in the future. I probably will enjoy it. And we may go into artillery, gunnery at sea, and how this developed and how you can diagnose and what constitutes correct guns. So anyway, we'll continue talking about the smaller details, and by all means comment and let me know what you would like to hear, what you would like to see and to be addressed on the channel. Leave me a comment down below, and we'll take it into account, and whenever we can we will make videos about these topics. So once again, I would like to thank you for the support. I really appreciate all of you sponsors of this channel. I'm very, very grateful. I'm hoping that many of you will be here in New London a week from yesterday, I suppose. And I'll have the chance to chat with you and see you and talk and see what you have brought to the show. Anyway, our next conversation likely will be about the New London show, to which I have very kindly been invited to speak. It will be my pleasure to do so. So once again, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to talking with all of you again. Thank you for the comments. Thank you to the sponsors. And I shall see you next week. Goodbye.